Hey, y'all see this lady looking around here like, oh shit. Oh man, this I'm telling you, this is the reason why I do not come. And she putting it back in there. This is the reason why I do not come to Walmart, man, with my car anymore. Y'all can say what y'all want. So that lady, man, she had a cart that y'all just seen. She went back in there. She literally put all her stuff in the car and then turned around with the cart and boom, hit the back bumper like hard as hell. And then she looked around to see if anybody was watching. Come on, man. God, these people at Walmart are something else. Hey, and we are here at Keith's. Keith's, what is it called? Keith's, Custom Garage. Bag Cat Custom Garage. Oh, by the way, this is a new truck, by the way. I didn't show you guys. Last time I came, I didn't film anything. Well,
try to give you content, you don't get content.
well, it's not that. It's that I'm trying, you know, I mean, I'm trying to cut down the traffic that comes through and the number of questions that you get on a daily basis. But yeah, man, this is a new truck. I'll give you guys a nice little walk around of this in a little bit, man. But we are here just hanging out. He is, he got to do. Did you already do it?
No, you done missed the content.
You did it already?
Yeah, I took the valence off, put a new valence on.
What?
I put the new valence on.
Oh, on your truck?
Yeah.
No, but I'm saying
No,
on the car. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, I ain't done that yet.
He ain't done that yet. Yeah, so, man, you told me you said 12.
Well, I got here on 10:30.
Well, how much?
10:30.
Anyway, man, we'll give you guys a walk on this. This is his new truck. If you guys remember, he had the other F-150 lifted, but he got the dually now. So we give you guys a rundown and a story on that. And then also, he has something to do on this car right here as well. This car has been here a couple times, and he has to do something else to it now. So anyway, man, we are going to hang out for a little bit. This coronavirus got everything shut down and locked down. Is Chase coming? Chase coming? So Mr. Chase Lucas will be here as well. And but yeah, man, we're doing Sunday Fun Day on a Saturday.
Yes.
Woo! And look at that. Over there, sitting pretty. Bagged cat himself. Aired out. Yeah, man. That thing look good. Look at that. There goes Hummer. H2 Hummer. And his little motor home over there. He actually had another one, a bigger one that he just sold. So, yeah, man. Anyway, hang out a little bit. I'll bring you guys whatever content we got coming for the day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Hang on, you got my fingers. So they're taking off the spoiler here, man, because he got a new spoiler that he's about to put on there.
That bolt's gone. My snap is snapped out.
Oh, is it just this one then?
Yeah, it's right there. That's it right there.
It's loose. All right, well, hope for greatness, people. Oh, got me again. Holy crap.
If this part makes the cut, if you guys are watching this, meaning we didn't break it. It's almost there, yeah.
This one, I can put this one, snap them back in there.
But that one snaps out way easier.
I understand.
Is there still some big sticking? Is that what the deal is? Oh yeah, it's just in there. That's the problem. Right here.
Your side is way easier.
I was ready before.
There's only one thing that's gonna happen here.
He's got new ones.
Oh, there you go. Woo. Put some muscle behind it there, Chase. There you go, man. This is what it looks like underneath of all this stuff. Woo. So he has a new spoiler though, kind of the one. Is it chrome and carbon? Don't know, but it is a new spoiler, the one that I gave away and the one that he has on the back of his car. that has like the V2 style, whatever, wicker bill already kind of molded into it. So that's what they're gonna put on this car. All right, so they try to put the spoiler on already, but that spoiler did not line up with the holes already, you know, in the trunk. So they pulled it back off. Let me go over here. So explain what the idea is to make this work.
We're gonna have to drill the holes out bigger in the trunk lid to accommodate these holes. So these line up, and hope for the best.
Keywords, hope for the best. So yeah, so what they're gonna do is they're gonna try to make these bigger, whatever, so they can make them line up.
I think
Are you guys putting new holes in the trunk lid?
these are threaded holes that are in. Yeah, I'm gonna make the holes in the trunk bigger.
Right, to make them line up with these. So they're gonna make the ones in the trunk lid bigger over there, to hopefully line up with these, because they're off a tad bit. So we'll see if it works.
Let's see that wrench. Where's that wrench at? Oh my Jesus!
You guys?
What did you do with it?
Hey, tell the tubers this guy is not prepared, man.
Mine's not gonna line up. I need my hole bigger.
Like I'm to the edge.
Well,
Which
we pull this down, it might flatten it out and pull
Okay.
it. Yep.
Which way are you, like to the middle of the trunk or the end?
Yeah, if I flatten the trunk, if we flatten the spoiler out, it'll work.
Okay. But I mean, like, is your hole closer to the middle of the trunk or the edge of not lining
Towards
up?
the trunk.
Okay, mine too.
Yeah, so we need to. If it
So it'll be
flattens,
good. Then it'll push it out all
if
the
it
way.
flattens out,
Yeah,
then it
it'll be
pushes
perfect.
it out.
Yeah. Like there's enough to get one in, but it's cutting close.
Yeah, mine won't.
Yeah.
Be in.
Okay. Yo, Fat Cat fixing to be on YouTube working.
Look at you.
What type of bullshit is that?
Fat Cat working.
Oh my God.
What type of bullshit is
Hey,
that?
this is breaking news
Any
here.
questions on your chrome and carbon? Spoiler fitment? Call Fat Cat.
Oh no.
That's wrong right there. Ain't it?
Hit up Bags Cat, BADG_KAT.
Oh man. You got the washer on there?
Yeah, he's got
Alright,
the washer.
hey, go hammer. Like until they quit, sir.
Hold on, man.
All right, it's tight now,
Yeah,
so
that's it.
Alright, cool.
I mean, I could go more.
No.
Little
For
bit.
now,
It's-
should we leave it
that's
loose a
good.
little bit so we got some playroom? Alright.
Are you close over there? I ain't nowhere close.
I can get one in.
I can.
Okay, so you need so I'm close this way.
Yeah, that's where
So
mine.
I've got playroom. Okay, so you're close the same way though.
Yes.
Okay,
But
so that
mine's-
hole needs to be. But do you see how much more room you've got to drill a hole over there than you do here?
We'll be back.
Okay. I'll text you when we get close. Okay. All right.
Off a little bit.
Hey, you gonna hang that one on the wall?
Well, I was going to try to sell it, get my money back.
Hey. What the hell?
We'll see.
Sell it.
I don't know if you're going to be buying much.
You never know.
I guess I
How
could
much
be
is
in
he
a
off over here? Oh yeah.
Thanks, Chase.
My bad.
You know how much stuff comes off this car and sits in my bedroom?
Hey.
No, my bedroom.
It's the same way as the house. All the stuff, all the storage and shit I pull off Caitlin's car. I'm like, yeah, put this
so they just finished up Kevin's car. Like I said, they put these side skirts on right here, as you guys see. I don't know what kind they are, but they got these little fins on them right here. You guys can see that, right? Did that, and then they put this spoiler on here, rear spoiler. Again, like the V2 style, like kind of like the one that I gave away. So this is actually a carbon fiber one, but he painted it blue to match his car. So there I go, man. They actually went ahead and did it. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? They had a little trouble with that rear spoiler, but they made it work, and it went on, man. These guys are good at what they do, and they do this for fun. It's just a hobby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think that thing looks good, though. What do y'all think? I like it. That B5 blue always looks good, man. It's always been a nice color for Dodge. B5 blue. There you go. And all right, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Damn, I'm looking rough. Haven't had my hair cut in probably about a month now. It's funny because we were gonna go the other day. I actually had appointments for me and the boys, but then we ended up canceling it because, you know, we just didn't want to run the risk of going out there, and especially not necessarily for me or whatever, but for the kids or whatever, for the boys to go out there. And if you guys don't know, my youngest one, Noah, he actually has neutropenia, which is immune deficiency. So we didn't want to run the risk of you know, either one of us passing it along to him or him catching some himself. So we just wanted to kind of be cautious, be precautious, I guess, when it comes to that with him. So we are hurting right now, me and the boys. Anyway, other than that, though, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Another day here at Keith's, or AKA Bag the Cat shop, hanging out, chilling, man. Like I said, this is Sunday fun day, but on a Saturday, you know what I'm saying? Because they ain't nothing else to do, so we out here hanging out, chilling, man. Anyway, other than that, like, comment, subscribe. Damn, let me go this way. That's somebody blocking me out. Not bad. But anyway, other than that, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. As you guys know, I'm your boy Fat Cat, and we see you guys on the next one, man. Later.